Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn the class 4 science chapter number 1, characteristics and life process of organism. On the way from your home to school, you would have seen many things. Make a list of the things you see every day. You may add these to the list. How would you decide that things are living or non-living? Do you know what are living things? Things that have life are called living things, like human beings, animals, and plants. Non-living things, things that do not have life, are called non-living things, like umbrella, car, chair. Living things need food and water. Living things can breathe. Living things can move. Living things can reproduce. Living things can grow. Living things can feel. While non-living things do not need food and water, they cannot breathe, they cannot move, they cannot reproduce, they cannot grow, they cannot feel. Characteristics of living things. Living things need food and water. Human beings depend upon plants and animals for their food. Whenever plants make their own food using water, air, and sunlight. Living things can breathe. Human beings and animals breathe using their lungs. Plants inhale carbon dioxide from the surrounding and exhale oxygen. Living things reproduce. Reproduction is the process in which a living thing gives birth to a young one of its own kind. A cat gives birth to a kitten. A cow gives birth to a calf. Living things can grow. A little boy grows into an adult man. A kitten grows into a cat. Living things have senses. They can feel, they can touch, they can taste, and they can smell. Do you know that both plants and animals are living things? You might have seen animals like butterfly, sparrow, goat, cow, and fish. You might have also seen plants like trees of apples, bananas, oranges, and mangoes. If both plants and animals are living things, then what is the difference between them? Look at the pictures of a mango tree and a goat. Analyze the differences and similarities between these two living things. A Venn diagram is used to show the similarities and differences. Similarities are shown in its center and differences are shown on its sides. What are the differences? Plants are usually green in color, whenever animals usually of various colors. Number 2, plants are able to make their own food. Animals are dependent on plants and other animals for their food. Plants are unable to move from one place to another. Animals are able to move from one place to the other. What are the similarities? Plants can grow, animals can also grow. Plants respire, animals also respire. Plants reproduce, animals also reproduce. Do you know that living things have characteristics of exertion and sensitivity? Number 2, both plants and animals need food, sunlight, water, and air to grow. Number 3, plants provide oxygen to the environment. Thank you, plants. The next topic is about animals. The world is full of different types of animals. Some swim, some fly, and some crawl. To help us understand the differences between the animals in our world, scientists classified the animals into different groups. The two largest groups of animals are vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates that have backbone like fish, frog, lizard, pigeon, cat. Animals that have no backbone are invertebrates like cockroach, honeybee, butterfly, starfish. Our next topic is flowering and non-flowering plants. Plants have some facts that interested to be known. Plants are classified in flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Plants on which flowers grow are called flowering plants. Flowering plants are of various colors and sizes like rose, sunflower, apple, lemon, mango. Non-flowering plants, the plants on which flowers do not grow, are called non-flowering plants. Moss, fern, and conifers are examples of non-flowering plants. Here are some non-flowering plants: moss, fern, pine, juniper, thuja, sago palm. Conifers are found in the northern areas of Pakistan. For example, Mari, Swat, Kagan and Chilas. Conifers are very important for our economy. Its wood is used for making furniture, construction materials and ornamental things. It is also used to make paper. The seeds of some conifers are used as dry fruit, such as pine nut. Now, draw a Venn diagram in your scrapbook and write the differences and similarities between flowering and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants have flowers and fruits. Non-flowering plants do not have flowers and fruits. Flowering plants reproduce by seeds. Non-flowering plants reproduce by spores. Flowering plants dispersed by animals, air and water. Non-flowering plants dispersed by air and water. What are the similarities? Both are living things. They respire, they can grow, make their own food and reproduce. What is biodiversity? Just look around you and observe the living things. Do all the living things look alike? If no, then why? All these living things are different in their functions and structures. The number of the types of living things present at a particular place is called biodiversity. We still do not know the actual number and kinds of living things present on the earth. Many types of living things have become extinct. The existence of many living things is in danger due to many factors such as destruction of habitat, change of climate, increase in temperature on earth and scarcity of water. If you like this video, please hit the like button and for more videos subscribe my channel. Thank you.